I am sweating like a sinner in church, okay? It is so hot today. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you. I'm Anissa, and in today's video we are doing a real busy day in the life, you guys. We leave for Texas this week and we still have so much to do, you guys. I'm talking errands, laundry, still purchasing travel necessities that we need for our trip, just a whole lot of things, okay? But while Rylan is asleep, I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on my face just so I won't have any interruptions. I find that putting makeup on makes me feel more productive throughout my day and I just get a lot more things done. So I'm gonna do that. And then also, you guys, if you have not hit that like button, go ahead and hit that like button, because I mean, why would you wait? And if you have not subscribed already to our channel, please considering joining our YouTube family here, because we would love to have you. I'm not gonna hold you any longer. Let's get into this video, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I just finished my makeup up and I just rinsed my hair. I'm just letting it kind of towel dry right now. I need to re-warm up my coffee. But before I do that, I wanted to show you the outfit that Rylan's gonna wear today. I think it's so stinking cute, but she is gonna be wearing this little overall dress that I purchased from Walmart. If you haven't yet watched our toddler spring haul video, this is linked in there, but I will link this down in the description box below so you don't have to go looking for it. And then with this little t-shirt that I picked up from Target some time ago, I think it came with an outfit similar to this. And yeah, it's kind of linty. I need to lint roll it, but I have no idea what I'm wearing yet. I got her all picked out, and you guys, I have no freaking clothes. I need some jeans, like, or shorts or something. I'm realizing that I have no bottoms and it's becoming a problem. Also, while I was doing my makeup, I noticed that I'm out of concealer and I cannot run out of concealer right before the trip. So I'm gonna have to make a trip to Ulta. I need to go ahead and just add that on my list of things because I can't go to Texas without my concealer. But that's what I'm gonna do right now too. I'm gonna make my list while I'm drinking my coffee, so I make sure that I grab everything that we need so I don't forget anything. So I did my hair, and while I'm waiting for my hair to dry up a bit, FedEx came and dropped off a package. It is my dress that I'm gonna be wearing for our event in Texas, and I wanted to show it to you guys because I think it's so stinking cute and very affordable, you guys. Of course, it's from Missguided. You know I love Missguided, but let me go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like. So it is the sage green color. I love the material of this dress. The only thing, I probably should have sized down one size. I ordered it in a size 10. I probably should have got a size 8 just because the material. Hi baby, come here. Rylan just woke up. I probably should have got it in a size 8 just because there is some gaps and spaces. And yeah, the material is very stretchy, so maybe I should have got a size down, but it is halter neckline. Love that. I think it's so stinking cute, you guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I will have this dress linked for you guys. And yeah, it goes down pretty far. You guys know I'm super tall, but it goes down to like my mid-calf. But I think it's super cute, you guys. But only thing is I should have sized down, and then I'm probably gonna have to end up going to pick up some boob tape for the girls, you know, breastfeeding mom problems. But yeah, I think it's super cute, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Hit the strip in my bills paid. Keep a nigga bills paid. He's working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. Yeah, yeah. Working at the pyramid tonight. Yeah, working at the pyramid. Oh, working at the pyramid tonight. Yeah, working at the pyramid. Ooh, ooh. Working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. You showed up after work, I'm bathing your body, touching in places only I know. You're whatever you want, just like a bad thought I can be.
Okay, you guys, so we finally made it out of the house. We are on our way to our first destination. I have to go to the DMV kiosk to pay for our registration on the truck. Sorry if you guys can hear the AC if it's super loud, but I am sweating like a sinner in church, okay? It is so hot today. It is 90 degrees outside and I am literally melting. It's the wrong day to wear makeup and have to wear a mask still, you guys. But anyways, we're gonna run in here and pay our registration fees really quick and get that done and over with. And then we are going to head to the dry cleaners. Okay, so we finished up at the DMV kiosk and we picked up the dry cleaning. Now I'm about to head on over to Ulta because it's pretty close by and I don't want to have to backtrack, but I'm fixing Ryland's babies first before we get going. So, okay baby, here you go. Here. And you guys, I keep having to turn the air down while I'm talking to you, so I'm not trying to record too much in the car just because it's so freaking hot. I am literally sweating. I don't know if you can see it, but my neck, my top lip, my upper lip, I'm sweating, okay? It is so hot today. Okay, you guys, so we just pulled up to Ulta. We are walking up there right now. Yeah, once we get across the street, okay? It's so hot, even Ryland is sweating, you guys. But hopefully Ulta has the AC blasting in there. Right. What are you doing?
Sorry, Mom.
You're
Sorry.
okay. Can you pick your mask up, please?
Yes, I got it.
Thank you. Mommy, see it. Mommy, hold it. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing? You out? You shopping?
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. You got it? I'm doing so good today, Mama. You're a big girl. Okay, right here. Come here. Stand right here.
This way.
Stand right by the car. Uh-oh.
Mommy, get it, my papa.
Here's your bag. Okay.
Yeah, Papa.
Okay, Mommy gotta put you in here first, okay? Watch your head.
Mommy, my papa.
Watch your head.
Mommy.
I know. Hold on, okay?
Mom, the papa. Mommy, the papa.
Okay. Okay, you guys, so we are back in the car right now. We decided to stop at Starbucks because it is just so hot outside. I need a refreshing drink, okay? I just need something to quench my thirst real quick. So I figured why not just stop at Starbucks. But I wanted to show you guys what we picked up from Ulta. Now, I usually use Pat McGrath concealer as my everyday concealer, but honestly this is an emergency and I really do like this concealer as well. So I picked up the ELF Camo, the hydrating concealer. Now I've used the matte one before, I've never used the hydrating one, but I'm gonna give this one a try. I also got the matte one because I have used that one before, just in case I don't like the hydrating one. I also have the matte one, the one that I am used to. Now, the reason why I went to Ulta was because we don't have a Sephora in our city, and I was not about to make that trip with knowing everything that I had to get done today. I just wasn't willing to make that drive. But yeah, I picked that up from Ulta, and I also got something new that I've been wanting to try from the Pattern line. I wanted to test out their pick. I've never picked out my hair before, you guys, but as you can see, I have really, really curly hair, and I love my big curly hair when I can make it as big as possible. And right now it's just kind of like flat because I haven't been using my, let me turn the air down. I haven't been using my diffuser, you guys, just because I've been so lazy and on the go. Like, I don't have time to put my diffuser and my blow dryer together, and especially because I'm getting done while Rylan is asleep. So it's like me diffusing my hair with my blow dryer on and stuff. I don't want to interrupt Rylan's sleep. I like her to sleep as long as possible so she doesn't wake up cranky or anything like that. So I haven't been diffusing my hair. So I wanted to test out this pick and see if it's gonna make a difference in my hair care routine, like my daily hair care routine, if picking out my hair is gonna make it bigger or what. So we're gonna test that out. But yeah, we're currently in line at Starbucks waiting for our drinks. It was a long line, but I was gonna wait because I am so hot, you guys. I just need something that is going to cool me off. Yes, baby? We're gonna get out, okay? We're gonna be on our way home soon. Actually, I need to stop by Target because she has been riding her bike outside, you guys. We've been taking her little four-wheeler outside, and she needs a helmet, okay? I'm all about helmet safety, and I don't want her riding without a helmet. So I'm gonna stop by Target really quick and see if they have one for her. So, yeah. So we made it back home from Target, you guys. We actually grabbed a couple of things that we were gonna need for the trip, just like some little stuff like this, like off, some sunscreen, little squeeze bottles like this for Rylan's products, because we're only taking carry-on luggage because we're not even going for 2 complete days. So we're all just taking carry-ons, but like little small hand sanitizers. I got a first aid kit because with toddlers you just never know, you guys. Some Lysol to go, some small things of toothpaste, some Tylenol, just little stuff like that. And also I did end up grabbing Rylan a helmet, you guys. I found this helmet at Target. It was $19.99, I believe, and it's fit for a 3 to a 5-year-old. This is the one that she liked the best, and it fit her the best, so it was perfect for us. So I grabbed that for her. She's currently sitting on the potty right now. I've already started separating our laundry so I can throw some loads in. And yeah, you guys, that's about it right now. I'm just gonna be doing some work on my website, on the blog for you guys, on the Like to Know It shop, and also I'm doing a rebranding of Cupcakes LA. I have never even introduced you guys to that, but I have a small cupcake / cake toppers business that I used to run, and I am starting that back up. I'm getting back into it. I'm feeling very creative and crafty recently, so I wanted to open that back up. More about that to come later on, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it right now. I'm gonna get started on this laundry though. Okay, so while the laundry is going, I told Rylan I would take her out for a spin. We're gonna do a couple of laps around outside, and yeah, just enjoying the nice evening out together. You got it?
Alex, come on. Let's ride.
You gotta watch where you go, baby. Yeah. Say cheese, mama. So focused. So you guys, it's 8 o'clock. I did 5 loads of laundry total today. I didn't fold it and put it up, but at least the laundry is done. I washed it, I dried it. It's in its bins pretty much, and it just needs to be put away. I'll get to that tomorrow, hopefully. I'll get to that tomorrow, hopefully. But like I told you guys earlier, today I have just been preparing for us to go to Texas, and I really have some anxiety leading up to our trip, just because it will be my first time with Rylan on a plane ride, and I'm not sure exactly how she's going to react to that. I know how she has been in a long car ride. When she was younger, it didn't bother her too much, but now that she is a toddler, her attention span is just, it's not too long. So I'm a little nervous about flying with her on this flight to Texas. And we have a layover. The layover is only an hour. When I looked into tickets, I looked into flights that had the shortest layover possible. Any type of flight that was just going to get us there as fast as possible, pretty much. I'm going to bring different things, you know, to keep her occupied and stuff like that. And hopefully she'll sleep on the plane. But I do really have like high-key anxiety about this flight to Texas, and I know we'll probably be fine, but it's just nerve-wracking. First time for everything, so I'm a little nervous. But yeah, you guys, we got a lot of things done today. I do feel accomplished, but I am still kind of antsy just because I want to know how things are gonna go. But I think that is going to be the end of this vlog, you guys. I still have not ate. I need to go eat my dinner. But I want to give Rylan a bath really quick because she was outside playing. So I want to give her a bath really quick. I'll put her down and then I'll eat finally. Yeah. So you guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this busy day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, you guys, because it really, really, really helps out the channel, you guys. You don't know how much it helps out the channel, but it really helps out the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, you guys, because we would love to have you a part of our YouTube family here. And once again, it helps out the channel. All right, you guys, we will see you next time. Bye.